Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain the best protein powder for beginners. We will immediately dive into understanding why protein is crucial for your body, especially when starting a fitness journey. You'll learn about the different types of protein powders available and what makes each unique. We'll also cover essential considerations to help you select the perfect powder to kickstart your progress and achieve your fitness aspirations effectively. Let's explore the most common protein powder types. Whey protein is a popular choice, known for its rapid absorption and complete amino acid profile, making it perfect after exercise. Casein protein, conversely, digests slowly, providing a steady supply of nutrients for several hours, which is great for overnight recovery. For those with dietary restrictions, plant-based proteins, such as pea and brown rice, offer fantastic alternatives, ensuring everyone. The game begins with each of the 4 players receiving 13 tiles. The dealer, however, gets 14 tiles. Next comes the Charleston, a unique and crucial part of American Mahjong. This involves 3 mandatory passes of 3 tiles each, first to the right, then across, and finally to the left. There are also 2 optional passes. This process allows players to exchange unwanted tiles, significantly improving their starting hands. Using protein powder is incredibly simple and versatile. A common method is mixing 1 scoop with 8 to 12 ounces of water or milk for a quick shake, especially after a workout. You can also blend it into your morning smoothie, stir it into oatmeal, or even use it in baking recipes to boost your protein intake. Consistent use helps with muscle repair, promotes growth, and keeps you feeling full, aiding your overall fitness journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.